kitten breakfast is ready.
I'm coming, Dad. Daddy, you are the best.
Son, it's time for me to go to work.
Bye, Daddy.
The father cat went to work, but soon returned very angry.
How much I hate my job and my boss.
Daddy, let's go play.
Don't bother me, I'm not in the mood.
I'm sorry.
The father cat decided to go to the bar to forget about his problems, but this led to even bigger ones.
Where my daddy?
Why is the house such a mess? I will teach you to listen to your father.
Oh no! The father cat got very aggressive and started abusing the poor kitten.
Fortunately, a passerby heard the kitten cry and called the police.
The police were shocked by what they saw and immediately arrested the father cat. Doctors saved the poor kitten and now he is safe and sound. Let's go to school, son.
Have a nice day at school, Kitten.
Bye-bye, Nanny.
You are so beautiful. Honey, you are so early.
How could you do this to me?
Oh God, the cat parents' fight had serious consequences.
What have I done?
The cruel father cat put his wife in the trunk and took her to a landfill to get rid of her and live with a new woman.
Daddy, I'm home. Daddy, where's Mommy?
Son, you will have a new mommy now.
The kitten was very upset by the disappearance of his mother, and then he ran to look for her.
Police, I need you to arrest my father.
You are under arrest.
The kitten managed to get justice for the evil couple, and the mother cat recovered quickly.